A good brand brings value. Everyone knows it. But at what cost? We did the math. In the US, a mid-level brand project, logo, colors, fonts, brand guide, website, social visuals, costs between $4,000 and $500,000. And it takes 6 to 12 weeks. This is about to change. Welcome to X Design. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a full brand in minutes at almost no cost.
Now, let's say I'm opening a bookshop in Manhattan. What's the first step?
Just share the idea with X Design's new AI agent.
Sometimes when you are not sure what you want, just say something briefly. The AI will keep asking questions to help you figure it out.
Let's try to be specific about the initial idea.
The AI instantly generates a logo. Once it's ready, your brand kit will be saved automatically for future use.
Your logo is just the beginning. See it come to life on packaging, menus, and posters. Follow the AI's ideas or ask it to extend your design specifically. Want to preview your store? Upload a photo of the empty space. X Design will generate a full interior design for you. You can also try creative extras, like an NYC-themed apron for customers. The agent understands your vision and brings it to life. Once you've created enough visuals, X Design automatically builds a brand guideline page so you can instantly see your brand come to life and share it with others.
Next, let's try making banners. Start a new conversation. Remember the brand kit we just saved earlier? Select it.
For example, if we want to design a buy one, get one free banner for Thanksgiving to post on Instagram, just give X Design a few basic details and it will create it quickly. Or if we want to create a poster for the new reading club, we just need to type in all the information.
Once the design is ready, you can click Split Layers. This makes every element on the banner fully editable. So, looking back, creating a brand design is actually pretty simple, right? No crazy costs, no long waiting. With X Design, it just gets a whole lot easier. What else do you want me to cover? Drop a comment and I'll see you in the next tutorial.